Right, this is kind of fucked up, so I've got to put it on video just to log it. Mum was in the car the other day and she gave me this lovely hand sanitizer to take to work. Obviously she's blind as a bat, because if you look closely, it's not hand sanitizer, it's Faber-fucking-Lou, which means you spray it down the fucking toilet after you've had a shit. I've been putting it on my fucking hands. Nice one, mother.